Hello everyone. Different file types are used to store different types of image details and number of colors. Let's understand the same thing in this section. Photoshop supports a wide range of file formats. File type is very important to save the color information and many other details in the file. Different file types are intended for different purposes. First, let's have a quick look at the images generally being used for websites. GIF, JPG and PNG files are widely used for websites. The common reason is these files occupy less file size in memory, so that it can load fast on web browsers. All three files have different specialities. The GIF is a very old file format and widely used in the starting era of websites. Storing a maximum of 256 colors is the limitation of this file format. The images having fewer colors like logos, diagrams or flowcharts in which limited colors are being used can be saved as GIF file types. GIF is the only image file format which supports animation on web pages. It also supports transparency. The next file format is JPG. This file format can store millions of colors with great compression. Any image that has lots of colors can be saved as JPEG, that is JPG file type. Though it carries lots of colors, it has great compression ratio and occupies a very small file size in memory. This is the reason for being the most popular file type on digital platform. A JPG file can store 8-bit per channel depth or 24-bit per pixel depth. But it is not supporting transparency. If you want millions of colors to be present in the image with transparency, we have another file format named PNG. Images like website buttons, logos or product images with no background can be saved as PNG file type. A PNG file can have 8-bit or 16-bit per channel depth. In other words, it can have 24-bit or 48-bit per pixel depth. A PNG image can store more colors than a JPG image with an additional alpha channel for transparency. That makes the PNG image larger than the JPG image. It's not like you can use JPG and PNG images only for websites. Both formats can also be used to store quality images in the computer too. Sometimes you need to import images from other software to Photoshop, like a vector file from Illustrator. Or sometimes you need to export images from Photoshop so that other software can work on that file. Photoshop supports many file formats that are created under other software like EPS, PDF, BMP, TGA and whatnot. These files can be considered as bridge files between two software. We will discuss the major file formats, PSD and TIFF, that are widely used to store high quality images. Images are being used in different ways like print, video, social media, animation, etc. Depending on the image usage, it's very important to retrieve the information after you save the file. JPG and PNG are flat files and do not support multiple layers like PSD or TIFF files. PSD and TIFF both file types can store lots of layers and much more information than any other image file can store. Both the files can have 32-bit per channel depth. PSD is Adobe Photoshop's master file format and can save any information you work with Photoshop. TIFF file format is also supporting layers and commonly used as an alternative of PSD file format in absence of Photoshop. We will learn the file saving parameters in detail in upcoming chapters during creation of different types of graphics.